Summer heat is here. Is your AC ready? Don't wait for a breakdown when temperatures hit their peak. For just $39.99, Maryland HVAC Repair will tune up your system and keep your home cool and comfortable. AC system check, thermostat calibration. Full safety inspection, fast, professional, and local service you can trust. We are family-owned and proudly serving Baltimore and surrounding Maryland communities. Call now, 443-323-0001. Book online. Maryland, vakerepair.com. Stay cool. Save money. Beat the heat. Limited spots available. Schedule today.